Welcome back students in part 2 of today's lecture. So we have derived this term W equals to PE cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2, where the dipole is rotated from theta 1 to theta 2. So in starting, what we have taken, that the dipole is rotated from 0 degree to theta degree. So if we start from 0 degree and rotate it to theta degree, that time in place of theta 1 we will put 0 degree, in place of theta 2 we will put theta degree. Okay. So when we put the values, cos 0 equals to 1, cos theta equals to cos theta. So this equation we will get W equals to PE 1 minus cos theta. This is the general equation of work done. Okay. Now from this formula we can get value of work done in different conditions as well. So in first case, if the work done is there for rotating the dipole from 0 degree to 90 degree. So in place of theta 1 we will put 0, in place of theta 2 we will put 90 degree. So cos 0 is 1, cos 90 is 0. Okay. So W equals to PE we will get. If work done is there to rotating the dipole from 0 degree to 180 degree. So again in that equation we put cos 0 minus cos 180. Cos 0 is 1 and cos 180 degree is minus 1, minus minus plus. So W equals to 2 PE. Okay. So in case of moving the dipole from 0 to 180 degree, the work will be twice the work when the dipole is rotated from 0 to 90 degrees. So here you can do one comparison. Okay. When the dipole is moved from 0 to 90 degree, work done is PE, and when it is moved from 0 to 180 degree, the work done is 2 PE. These all equations, these all cases related to dipole are very important. By heart them all. In numericals you will need them. Okay. And students, these are some problems related to electric dipole. Okay, I am reading ones for you. First one, a sample of HCl gas is placed in a uniform electric field of magnitude 3 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per Coulomb. The dipole moment of each HCl molecule is 3.4 into 10 to the power minus 30 centimeter. Calculate the maximum torque experienced by each HCl molecule. So here you have to apply the formula of torque and solve it. Maximum torque you have to find out now. Then second one, calculate the electric intensity due to a dipole of length 10 centimeter and having a charge of 500 mu coulomb at a point on the axis at a distance 20 centimeter from one of the charges in air. For this problem, I suggest you to first draw the diagram. Okay, for second one, draw the diagram of dipole, and then at a length at a distance 20 centimeter one charge is there. Then for that you try to find out the electric intensity in axial position. Okay, you can pause the video and note both the problems and try to solve it. If you are having any doubt, you know where to ask that. Okay. So for today's lecture, this is it students. Now we will meet in next lecture. Till then, goodbye, take care and do some productive work.